Using YouTube TV on an LG Smart TV is simple, and once it's installed, you can enjoy live channels, sports, and DVR recordings directly on your big screen. Here's how to set everything up quickly. Start by turning on your LG Smart TV and pressing the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the LG Content Store, which is LG's built-in app marketplace. In the search bar, type YouTube TV. Select the official app from the results and click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, return to your home screen and launch the YouTube TV app. When the app opens, select Sign In. A code will appear on your TV screen. On your phone or computer, go to tv.youtube.com/start, enter the code, and log in using your Google account. After signing in, your YouTube TV homepage will load, giving you access to live TV, your library, and recommended shows. Use your LG remote to browse channels, view your DVR recordings, and explore on-demand content. If the app doesn't appear in the content store, your LG TV model may not support YouTube TV. Updating your TV's software may help. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.